There's no door. Alright guys, we're out here looking at houses today. Nice little part of town. My wife tripping all over herself.
It's boarded up by Kansas City, so it's probably got some
kind of damage.
condemned.
Alright, well, let's go take a look. So is this considered Platte Woods, or Platte Woods is a couple of blocks down? This is Kansas City. Okay.
It's Parkville School District.
I know this kind of looks like a hood house, doesn't it? It's got wood shank shingles underneath. So we think this might be a burnout, but it really doesn't look quite like a burnout, does it? Trees need to be cleaned up in the front yard.
3 bedrooms, 2
3-2?
baths.
I wonder what the story is, you know. Did it give you any background?
It says don't go upstairs. Oh, hello.
Do not go upstairs. Huh. Alright. So it's pretty much gutted. Looks good. Well, there's some doors. That'll save you some money.
And where exactly did the 3-2 come in?
It could possibly be a 3-2. That's what they should have said. I wonder what happened.
I don't know. That needs
Looks like a remodel job gone bad.
needs to be rewired.
Look at that. They were tearing walls out. That's crazy.
Can we get down to the basement? I'm scared to walk through the...
I wonder what's up with all the trees that have fallen over. It hasn't been taken care of in a long time.
How do we get downstairs?
I don't know. This does not look like an inherited house. Here. Oh, hold on. There it is.
Careful.
It's okay to go downstairs, just not up. Oh, we've got beams. Oh man, these block foundations. Why did they ever do that here in Kansas City? Look at that. The block is just crumbling in.
So this is a no. We'd have to demo it. Demo and duplex.
We could buy the lot. Wow. Crazy. Yeah, this one is definitely going to need way too much work. I'll tell you what, just for fun, since we're not supposed to, let's go upstairs. There we go. All right, I'm going upstairs. That's funny. Oh, that's probably why right there.
Why?
Because you could walk out here and you could fall and kill yourself. Actually, upstairs is like the best part of the house.
Is there a bathroom out there?
Uh-huh. There's a full bath. Some nice graffiti. Huh. Too bad the rest of the house doesn't look like this. We could work with that. Alright. This is a piece of crap. Let's go.